Okay, I'm going to do a video on this truck. It's a 2015 Volvo VNL series truck. And hang around at the end of the video, guys. I'm going to just walk our used line real fast so you can see what we have, because we do have some other nice trucks. I did this truck because it is the newer, lower mileage truck that we have. It'd be a good first owner truck if you need one. I personally picked this truck up from where we got it from, and they took very good care of it. So this one is running a 13-liter Volvo engine, 425 horse. I imagine it doesn't say in the narratives, but I believe it's a 1650 torque. 13.2 front. It's got 386,000 on the odometer. I believe it's a 216 wheelbase. It's a pretty short wheelbase. Now it said the sleeper was 60 inches in the narratives, but to me it looks a little bigger than a 60-inch length sleeper. So I'm going to look it up a little bit further, and you might check the comments below. It is running dual tanks. Has all the aero package on it. 22.5 rubber. And it's a Yost fifth wheel with the air slide, of course. Fresh DOT. Be a great one owner or first owner truck. So if you're looking to get into trucking on your own and running over the road, it might be a consideration. This one is a double bunk sleeper. It's got a brown and tan interior. Clutch felt good on this truck. It drove real nice.
Like we're losing.
I forgot that it does have the, I think it has a collision mitigation system on there. We did throw a new mattress in there. And I guess it is a 60-inch sleeper because the bed's a little bit smaller than some of the Peterbilts I do on the 80-inch, 78-inch, 72-inch flat tops. It's got a flat screen TV mount. It's only beeping because of low air. That's what it is. It's not the collision system. Okay, I'm gonna jump out and we'll just walk our line, guys, so you can see some of the other trucks we have, okay? Okay, here we go. A little bit of a rare find. It's a 2014 Pete 389, 2013 Pete 388. For those of you you can see the difference in the length of the noses. Got some International Pro stars. These are all 2013 to 2017 model years, guys. Freightliner Cascadia Evos. These ones have the DT12 transmission behind the 13-liter Detroits. I've got a day cab Freightliner Coronado. Have a couple of those left. That one's got a 485 Cummins with a 18-speed automated transmission, good heavy rears. It's already set up with wet kits and everything to run a belly dump, in dump. Okay. A 386. Got some more Cascadias. These are 2013s. They are not the Evos, but they are double bunks. Some more, I think these are 13 or 14 Cascadia mid-roofs. And I got a cabin chassis International here. And, oh, forgot this guy. Another Pro Star. Those other trucks back behind there are brand new Fords. We are a Ford dealer as well, guys. On the commercial side. Another Pro Star. This truck here would be another good entry-level truck. That's another Pro Star. And we got some box trucks too. So if you're looking for some box trucks, I'd love to talk to you about those. Hey guys, if you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe on the bottom right hand corner. Again, my name is JW. If you have interest in any of these trucks, give me a call. 970-518-5520. Talk soon. Thanks.